Oh my god. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. A few weeks ago I asked on my Instagram story what kind of videos you wanted to see, and actually a lot of people requested a Q&A. I'm craving iced coffee. I could also make iced coffee and then drink it while filming this video. That's a really great idea actually. I'll be back in a second. We got the iced coffee. So today I'm gonna be answering your questions, and yeah, that's it. I need to search for the questions. The first question is, for how long do you have a YouTube channel? I started my channel in June 2015, but I started making videos in English in June or July. Maybe July. I think, wait. July last year, so July 2018. I'm really bad at doing Q&As because I never know how to answer. Okay, next. Do you want to move to another country one day? I mean, I would consider moving to another country. I definitely would, but like not move there for the rest of my life. I would move to a place maybe for a couple of months and then come back to the Netherlands. Another question, I just want to say I love you and I hope you're having an amazing week. That's so sweet, thank you. Dream job. Also, can you film a what's on my iPhone? I find them so interesting. First of all, a what's on my iPhone is coming very soon. And my dream job, I find it really hard to describe what I want to do in the future. I don't really know if it's like realistic. I would say my dream job would be to be a videographer for like weddings and concerts and traveling. That would just be really great. I would love to do that. Are you insecure with vlogging outside? I would say that I'm insecure with vlogging outside. It kind of depends who I'm with and where it is. Overall, I'm kind of insecure with vlogging outside because it's just so awkward. And for example, I'm so much more confident with vlogging outside when I'm with people who are not Dutch. You know, this is so hard to explain. I'm so bad at explaining stuff, but I hope you get what I mean. I'm just more confident when I'm with people who are not speaking Dutch, because then I have to speak another language while those people are Dutch, just like me, you know? I hope that makes sense. Will you ever do meet and greets for your fans? Because we need to meet. Fans? This is like, I can't even think about this. I would never imagine me doing meet and greets. But I mean, if there's enough people coming, sure. Hit me up, I'll do a meet and greet. Just let me know where, I'll do a meet and greet. No, I can't imagine myself doing that. How do you afford to see Shawn? I work and I try to save up most of my money. Like I just try not to spend my money on like things that I don't need. Like I would definitely skip going a night out with my friends if that means I get to save more money. Like obviously you can't skip every social event because then you're not social anymore. But I just try to cut out of a few things so I have more money left to do other things as well. So yeah, I definitely would recommend just work and save. I know that's not easy for everyone, but that's just the only tip I can give you. How long do you know Shawn Mendes? I hope not all these questions are about Shawn. Not that I don't like answering questions about Shawn, but I also have subscribers who don't like Shawn Mendes. So, you know, I don't want this to be all about Shawn Mendes because that's what my videos have been like lately. But I have known Shawn since December 2014. So that's 5 years this year. Oh my god. Someone sent me like 15 questions. Thanks. When is your birthday? My birthday was actually about 2 weeks ago. It was May 20. Next question. Do you believe in horoscopes? I would say that I believe in horoscopes, but I don't like depend on them. Like I'm not like every morning, oh I need to check my horoscope, you know? I'm not like that. But if I do see something, it usually is kind of like accurate, so I do believe in them, but it's not like I'm obsessed with them or something. I just, when I see it for fun, I like it, but I'm not gonna be like, oh I need to know my horoscope or something. What inspired you to start YouTube and then start doing English videos? You are amazing. That's so sweet, thanks. What inspired me to start YouTube? I was always just watching other YouTubers and I was just like, I want to do this too. You know, when I would watch a video from someone, I was like, I can make this and I want to make this as well. So yeah, I think watching other YouTubers inspired me to do it because I was just like, I want to do this too and start doing it in English. This was mostly because when I was making my videos in Dutch, I did enjoy it because I really liked making videos, but I just always, like since I started, I always had a feeling that my videos could be better and more fun if I would do them in English. And then a lot of my friends who were like not Dutch would asked me to make them in English because they don't understand Dutch. I came to the point last year where I was just so lost with my videos, and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna try to make English videos. Like, obviously I'm not fluent and I do make mistakes and sometimes I don't know a translation or something, but I try my best and I think it's going great, so love that. What are the places you went to for Shawn Mendes? I saw him a lot of times in Amsterdam, Brussels, London, Copenhagen, Paris, Dublin. That's it, I think. Yeah, that's it. Okay, the next few questions are gonna be about Shawn, but I promise there are other questions too, okay? Where are you gonna see Shawn again? Canada! Oh my god! I am so excited to go to Canada. I am seeing Shawn in Toronto in September. Shawn Mendes concert you enjoyed the most? Okay, I'm not gonna go into details about this question because there's probably going to be a video where I talk all about the concerts and like which one I enjoyed more and which one was just the best and everything like that. So stay tuned for that video. I don't know when it's gonna come, but it will come. For now, I would say the concert I enjoyed the most was Dublin or Amsterdam or Copenhagen. Or London. Okay, I need to stop. I would say Amsterdam or Dublin. Yeah. Who are your favorite YouTubers? I'd love to watch some new people. Well, actually, you, the one who asked me this question, Lore. I don't really know. Who do I watch? Right now, I would say Laura Medley. This is hard. Jess Conti, as always. Hannah Meloche. Sadie all this? I never know how to pronounce her name, but her name is Sadie. I would say those people are like my favorite people to watch, but those are like kind of like famous people, so you probably already know them. I really like Kelly Margot, Brooke Didas, I don't know how to pronounce her name, Annie Long. Yeah, those are the people I like right now. I can't come up with more people. I don't know what it is. Do you like Harry Styles? I'm not like a fan, but I do like him. I mean, he has great music. What did you do in London? Well, I went to 3 Shawn Mendes concerts. I had a lot of iced coffee. I saw a lot of my friends. I took a lot of photos. I vlogged. Cry. I also cried a lot. That sounds so stupid, but it's true. Saying goodbye isn't so fun. Oh wow. Boy advice. Well, what bands or artists do you have been liking lately? I would say I've been listening the most to Dan and Shay and Lewis Capaldi lately. I just love their music. They're just so talented. Like, it's just... Oh my god! What do you think about fan accounts? Well, let me tell you, I have 5 fan accounts, which is actually insane to me. Like, oh my god, so weird. But I really appreciate all of them. Like, they're so sweet. They're literally the sweetest people ever, and I appreciate it a lot. So yeah, I love fan accounts. Are you oh, I already answered that. Never mind. A year-long free iced coffee from Dunkin' Donuts or 3 free meet and greets plus front row with Shawn? I would say 3 free meet and greets and front row for Shawn, because that's less money. No, that's more money than a year of Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee, because I don't really live near a Dunkin' Donuts store. So I mean, it would be really nice to get free Dunkin' Donuts if I would be in Amsterdam or another city, but I don't go there that much that it would be more expensive than 3 meet and greets and front row, because that's just hella expensive. So yeah, I would choose that instead of the free iced coffee. Can you say something in Spanish? Hi from Spain. Wait, I know something. I tried to teach myself Spanish with this Duolingo app, because I would like, if there's a language I could learn right now, it would be Spanish. Like, I really want to speak Spanish because I go there like every year. Wait, what is it? I know apple in Spanish. What is it? It's something with, is it manzana, something like that. And I know hola and gracias. I can even, no, Spanish is not my thing, but I would love to speak it. You have traveled to many countries. Which is your fave and which would you like to go? Which I would like to go is Australia. My favorite country would be Spain and the Netherlands, I think. Would you like to get a tattoo? I'm not like I don't want a tattoo, but I'm also not like I want a tattoo. I'm like, if I find something small that has like a big meaning to me, then I could maybe possibly consider getting a tattoo, but I don't know. My parents would kill me. What are your musics of the moment? Definitely Dan and Shay. Will you ever regret using so much money on Shawn? I was actually speaking about this with someone today, because I was thinking about this the other day and I was like, wait, I actually spent so much money on Shawn. But then I was like, you know, money comes back and your time is not coming back. So like, why would I save up all my money and not use it when I can use it for experience that will last like forever, you know? That sounds so cringe probably, but I hope you know what I mean. I would prefer experience over like materialistic stuff. But yeah, I don't think I will regret using so much money on it because it really made me happy. Favorite song at the moment, How Not To by Dan and Shay. Hey, where are you from? I love you. I love you too, and I'm from the Netherlands. Who was the first person you met through Shawn and how? So the first person I met through Shawn his music, I met her on Twitter. Her name is Solgan. I met her in 2014, like online, and I finally met her 4.5 years later in Copenhagen. So that was actually crazy to me that I finally met her. Why are you so pretty? Why are you so pretty? What do you want to do as a career? I mean, YouTube. So subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna answer one more question. Okay, so the last question is, how can you manage school and going to concerts on weekdays? Love from Spain. Well, I love Spain, so love back to you. How I manage school and concert? Technically, I don't go to that many concerts during the week. I mean, yeah, Shawn's tour this year, I went to a lot of shows during the week. But for the rest of it, I usually don't really go to that many concerts, and like especially not during the week. But how I did that with Shawn's tour, Amsterdam shows were on Thursday and Friday, and I actually didn't have school on Friday. No one believes me, but I didn't. But on Thursday, I just didn't go because I study in college, and honestly no one cares if you're there, but you just miss stuff when you're not there, you know. And for Copenhagen, it was on a weekend, so on the Friday I went straight from school to the airport. Paris was on a Tuesday, so then I just skipped my classes on the Tuesday. For London, I did miss a lot because it was a whole week, but I mean, I tried to catch up. I don't want to be a bad influence right now and be like, don't go to school. Like, obviously go to school, but if you have stuff that is important that you have to miss a couple of classes, then it doesn't really matter, in my opinion. Those were all the questions I'm gonna answer today. If you have any other questions for me, just let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.